Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I think, yeah. Last time I have given one problem for the practice. Have you solved it that? Yes, anyone solved it? No? Okay. So you do one thing now. You try to solve this problem in this lecture. Please verify this.
Done, sir.
And out of all, we are considering uh, this one is minimum, median. Yes, any question? So I hope you have calculated this all. Okay, so I have given the answers. You can verify. You can verify. Okay, and you can watch the video. It is already recorded, so you can see, look at later. I think we are discussing about the standard deviation, and their relative measures was I can say coefficient of variation. Okay, so let me do some examples based on this. Please do the calculations. Okay, so do the calculations. So I'm just giving some data. You can work on that. You're knowing how to get the. So let's see the example number. I think example number 6 is done. Let's say example number 7. Example number 7. Okay, calculate standard deviation for the following data on age of 7 students, 17, 18, 20, 17, 2020, 21, 19. Solution. I know what is the formula for SD. It's a 1 upon n summation x minus x bar ka whole square. or I can say that 1 upon n summation x square minus x bar square. So in both the cases, you need to compute x bar. So x bar आप निकालो, which you are already knowing how to calculate x bar, or you can calculate x square. So how to get x bar? Use formula as summation x upon n. How to get summation x square by n? You can calculate using calculator. 17 square, 18 square, 20 square, okay, and we can add here. You'll be get that value, and then substitute in these formulas, and let me know what could be the values of SD. Okay, calculate this. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Yes, students, what is your mean? X bar. Anyone calculated? What is summation of x? So summation of x is coming 132. 132 by n is given, I think 2, 4, 6, 7. So it is 7. So if you just calculate this value, it will be 18.8571. Pick up to 4 digits always. And if you just calculate summation x square, it's going to be 2504. Okay. And if you just substitute in standard deviation, that is going to be 2504 divided by 7 divided by 7. Just a minute. Minus 18.8571 a whole square. And if you just calculate that value, it's going to be 1.4574 unit. Is that getting everybody? If you take up to 4 digits and everything properly, you may get approximate to this answer.
Yes, sir. I've got 1.4638.
Okay, good. Let me try out next example. Example number 8. find standard deviation for the following data. Suppose we have given age, which is your x, and we have a given number of students. I think this example we have already considered. So let's see that example is there. Yeah, this one. So to calculate for this data, okay, you need to find standard deviation for this data. So how do you calculate? Okay, take the solution, take down the solution. So you have given x here, write down x, you have given f here. We need to obtain fx, you need to obtain f x square, okay, and then take summation of that, and based on that you'll be get x bar, right? So this is 70. I'll leave some space for this. You can fill these entries. So you can get x bar from here, which is summation of fx upon summation of f, which is your, you can call n also. And then once you get that value, you can find summation f x square using the total of this. Okay, so you need to calculate the total of this one, total of this one, total of this one. And once you get the total of this one, you can use SD formula, which is square root of summation fx square upon n. I can call n. Okay, so n will be summation of f here, that you can get it, minus x bar square. Okay, so this is a, see, this is all very simple type problem where you have to just do the multiplication and get the answers. Okay, it will not take much time doing the calculations. So do the calculations and tell me the answer for the same. Please do it fast and let me know the answer. Yes, anyone got me? See, this is all we have already done in the unit 1 or unit 2.
सर x
बोलिए
सर x बार की वैल्यू 20 क्या है?
x बार का वैल्यू क्या मिल रहा है?
20.03.
ओके,
Sir, final answer 1.60934.
1.6092, correct.
Okay, sir.
Correct. So summation of fx you are getting, I think, if you just calculate 40379, and if you substitute here after simplification, you may get the answer will be 1.6091 standard deviation, which is an year. Okay, try out next example. Let me try out some problems on practicals. Just wait, I'm sharing the questions from the practical so that just give me a minute. So this is the problem for the practical. Problem number 9. This is the problem number 9. So one question will be get to. It's very simple, I think. See, students, I'm telling you. So I think this type of problems also we have come across very simple.
Sir, 29.5 x.
Alright,
29.5 sir.
29.5. Okay, okay, okay.
आपने 44 assume किया था 34 है सर वो.
Acha, acha. So this is 29.5. Then 35 plus 44 by 2, 39.5 and so on. Okay. And once you calculate x and f, the problem is similar type of this. Can you understand? So this is again similar type of problem. Only thing is that the working part you have to show. Like when you're doing manually, then you have to show it. Okay. So just complete this. And if you have any question, you can ask. See, you have to be do the calculation. There is no any other option. You have to be do the calculation. So what is next one? Is it 49.5, 59.5, 69.5, 79.5,
79.
right?
Yes sir.
Then rest calculation, please do it. Don't tell me to do the calculation. I'm very very lazy with that doing all calculations. So I can get directly SD. Please follow previous steps. Calculate X bar, calculate this summation, substitute in SD, get the values of SD. So if anyone calculated, then let me know the answer for directly this. Is that answer is 20.03? Somebody got the answer. 20.03. And I feel it is right. Yes, anyone got? Got same answer? Yes, students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Wait a minute, sir.
Yeah. Sorry?
11.3207 आया था
11 point something.
यस सर
Yes, any other students got it same? Okay, Shifa Khan also got same answer. 11.3207. So answer is going to be 11.3207. Please verify everybody. So by that time, other students can do this example. You may try out this example. Yes. Yeah. Just a minute. Students, you can just work on this example and let me know what exactly you're going to do this problem. Okay, I'll back into Students done? So what we are going to do in this problem? Like as I told you, we have here interval. You can see you cannot able to compute the mean and variance for this data because you can look at here the first interval and the last interval, it is not closed. Okay, so that you have to take based on these intervals like 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. So everywhere 2 got difference, that then you consider 3 to 5 and here 11 to 30. Are you getting the problem? So whenever such a problem is asked and they are asked to obtain the mean, in that scenario you can consider you can make a class, you can form a class according to the previous class interval. Okay, and so it is going to be 3000 to 5000 and it is going to be 11,000 to 13,000, and based on that you compute coefficient of variation for this data. Like this is your x, means you I hope you can able to get it the same for this is your frequency, right? This is your frequency part, and this is your x. You can compute x from here. So x will be midpoint of like 3000 to 5000, which has become I think 3500. So 3500, this is your x and this is your f. So one company A, I will be going to compute coefficient of variation, which is CV, which is standard deviation upon mean multiplied by 100. Okay, and similarly I'm going to compute for the variation for the company B, and whichever variation is, like I can say, you have to decide which variation is I can say higher. Okay, and based on that you need to conclude that the more variabilities exist and whichever variation is less, that company become better. Okay, so you do one thing, you just calculate only the coefficient of variation for company A and coefficient of variation for the company B. Okay, and whatever the conclusion part is there, I will tell you the next class, then you will you can able to write it down. Okay, any question? Yes, students, any question? Okay. So you can solve more example based on the mean. So I will going to solve few more examples, maybe the next class, and then we can start like new unit. Means I can say new part of that. So as joined, so I will make them host. Yes, students, best of luck. So see you on the next. I think the JSL lecture tomorrow's I'm going to take. So if in case let me confirm with the sir. If the sir is not going to take, then I will going to take. Okay. See you on next class. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good.